Alright, this is the tech article for fixing the eBay door handles on a second gen.
What?
You got the door panel. Take the door panel off.
Sandy, cut my pants.
And then once you get that off, pull the plastic covering back.
No.
And you can see in here on the end of the door where the lock is, you can see the actual lock assembly, that big white actuator in there. What you're looking at is the rod. Let's see if I can, right in there, you can see it. I'll move it here. You can see that moving. Basically what that's doing is the hole in the middle there, it's not pressing down on that actuator far enough. So what you're going to do is you'll put a bolt in that hole, and that'll press down when you lift on the handle, adjust the point where that actuator activates. So that's you're going to want to adjust that, and you can put like a clothes hanger in there and twist it around, or like a probably 8 or 9 millimeter bolt, and then put a nut on one end. Just make sure it's not long enough that the window hits it when you roll the window down, but you got a lot of clearance. And I'll get a video of that with the new bolt in there to show you what I mean. But that's right. Come around. There's the lock, so it's just right around the other side. Right back there. Alright, this is the how to fix your second gen door handles so they don't break anymore. To remove the door handle, you've got the one bolt right there, and as you can see, the door handle's already out, but you got to remove that one from the door panel on the inside. And then you've got one more right there on the side of the door, kind of hard to see, but that's on the side of the door. There's only 2 bolts holding them in. You can see it right there. And you pull those out, pull this little linkage off, and it's just held in by a clip. And then once you get that out, you can go to actually fixing the problem. And to fix it, as you can see in the last video, there's that rod that was moving. And there's the hole right in the middle there, you can see it. And that pushes down, when you pull up on the handle, it pushes down on that actuator right there, but it doesn't push far enough. It only clicks about right there, and you need it to go all the way down. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a bolt and a nut and put it in there and tighten it up. Got I think this is like a 5/16 bolt, and then we've got a nut to put in there. And just come in. We were going to do this originally without taking the door handle itself off, but we weren't really able to. And then just stick the bolt in through the back side, just like so. It's kind of hard to see. And then put the nut on, just tighten that up. And then when you have the door handle back in, when it goes down, it'll push it down all the way farther and easier. And there it is on the back side.